So this area, when we started, we innocently were like, let's take some branches off these not so happy rhododendrons. And then before you know it, they were all gone. And then we took some astilbes from over there and put them there and there and over there. We took some lamium here from over there. We took some painted ferns there, and then we took some hosta from there, bleeding hearts from there, and here's more astilbes, and the whole thing comes together, and there's continuity, and it's a beautiful little shade garden, and hopefully the rhodies will bounce back, but if not, you've got some nice perennials to make you happy.